Hi everybody, welcome to Sparkle with Samantha, and today we are getting rid of our old Ninja blender. It's 5 or 6 years old and it's almost as old as me. So now let me unplug it. Me and Ben know how to work this. So now let's open our new Ninja blender. I think it's going to be a bit taller, so flip it to the side because it's going to be a bit easier. Now we're going to take all the pieces out of here. Okay, the cord is attached under here. And this is our new cup for our new blender. We also have these, wait, these are mini. So you get mini cups with these. Look, it's a mini cup. So kids can drink from these too, I think. And there's a bit of better lids. So these are the cups that it comes with, so you can drink from these. And then this is the sipping part. Let's see if this is the blade. No, this is just another one. And we're also gonna get this out, which is actually gonna be kind of fun. You get one sipping cup and these lids for it. Now we're gonna see our new cup that we're gonna put on top of the smoothie. This is one of our, I think this is like the same cup as our old cup. So it's not screwed on that tight. So this is the blade. This part is the blade that's gonna help blend the smoothie. And this is our cup. It didn't have measures like our old one. Now we laid out all the accessories. This one has more buttons and this one has less. This blade is a lot sharper and shinier. These are a lot smaller than the regular cups, but we can still use our new cups, which is a Yippee, and it's going to be a lot faster for it. This one comes with, these cups are smaller. Well, so that's all the differences. Today we are going to make a surprise smoothie for my dad. And you're going to need 200 milliliters of Crystal Light. And my dad likes a lot of fruit, so we're adding all this fruit in, and then this ice. So first, I think we should rinse all of these fruits out, because I know these haven't been rinsed out because I just grabbed them from the fridge. A pineapple's sticking. It was sticking, so now we're gonna rinse it all out. We're rinsing all this fruit out. It's kind of like mac and cheese, like rinsing all the stuff out. You're gonna want to move it back and forth a bit, like move it side to side. That's about good, I think. Let's just let the water pour. There. You're gonna want actually a bit of wet fruit. So now I'm gonna pour them all in. A blueberry fell out, which is okay. Now the pineapple is sticking, so I put that in. Now we're gonna put ice in, because we want to make the smoothie cold. So I think I just put 1 teaspoon of this in. Oh, it already has something in it. Okay. I'm gonna pour that out, and then I'm gonna mix it a bit. Now I'm gonna grab this much of it and pour it on in. I think this is a bit crazy that it likes this much stuff in. He likes a lot of protein powder in his thing. This whole cup. We're starting to get low on it, so I'm gonna have to tap it a bit in. A bit more. This is enough. That was kind of cool. He wants one of this. These are hand parts. Now I'm gonna pour them in. And now, I think that's enough. Okay, now we are gonna be pouring this up right here. Placing it right there. I shook it up a bit. This. Now I'm gonna blend it. Okay, now it's finished. And now I have to lift it up. And I'm just gonna shake it a bit. And now I think we have to unscrew this. This is actually very tight. Now it's for the moment of truth.
Time to enjoy them. Cheers. Mmm. Thumbs up. Good job, Sam. Good video.
Bye.
What do you want everybody to do?
Subscribe to my channel.
Bye.
Bye.